Ladies, you know how important it is to take care of your skin, but did you know that men can benefit from a good skincare routine too? Hello everyone and welcome to Beauty Talks with Rachel, the show that will guide you into perfecting your skincare routine. My goal is to help you understand the what, how and why of all things beauty and hopefully help you make the best choices for your skin. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to build a simple yet effective skincare routine that caters to men's unique skincare needs. We'll talk about the best products to use, how to cleanse and hydrate, how to protect your skin from the sun, and much more. So whether you're a guy who's just getting started with skincare or you're looking to step up your game, you're in the right place. Why should men have a skincare routine? Men's skin tends to be thicker and oilier than women's, making it more prone to problems like acne, ingrown hair, and wrinkles. A good skincare routine can help prevent these issues and keep the skin looking healthy and youthful. By investing just a few minutes each day to cleanse, moisturize, and protect your skin, you can enjoy long-term benefits and a smoother, clearer complexion. So guys, taking care of your skin is important for your appearance and overall health. It's time to start taking it seriously. What should a routine for men consist of? A basic skincare routine for men should consist of 3 steps: cleansing, treatment, and protection. Here's a breakdown of each step. 1. Cleansing. Start your morning and evening routine with a gentle cleanser. If you're a man and new to skincare, choosing a cleanser might be confusing, but don't worry, I'll explain. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a cleanser with natural active ingredients like egg yolk and chia butter can help control excess oil and prevent breakouts. The Pro White Soap is a gentle, non-drying formula designed to remove dirt and excess oil without irritating your skin. If you have sensitive skin or dry skin, an oil-based cleanser would be your best option. Give the Luxury Avocado Soap a shot, formulated from avocado oil. This soap helps to hydrate and soothe dryness and irritation. For combination skin, a soap packed in vitamin C can work well to balance oil production without drying out your skin. The BB Clear Vitamin C soap does a good job at doing that, as it contains vitamin C that helps soothe and protect the skin while removing impurities. 2. Treatment. If you don't suffer from acne, wrinkles, or dull skin, you can skip this step and go straight to hydrating. However, if you're a man dealing with a few pimples, acne scars, or an uneven skin tone, let me guide you to an extra step that can help correct those problems. If your problem is acne or acne scars, apply a lightweight serum like the Pro White Serum. With its formula rich in egg yolk and chia butter, this serum can tame redness and accelerate cell turnover for a blemish-free complexion. If your problem is having an uneven skin tone, give the BB Clear Vitamin C Dark Spot Remover a try. With a concentrated vitamin C formula, this product brightens dark spots and hyperpigmentation for a bright and unified skin tone. 3. Hydration and protection. I know how much guys like 2-in-1 products, which is why I've chosen 2 hydrating creams that also act as sunscreens. These will save you time in the morning and allow you to protect your face without leaving any white residue on it. For oily skin, go for a lightweight, non-greasy formula that won't clog your pores or leave a shiny residue. The Pro White Cream is perfect for the task, as it's quickly absorbed by the skin, providing you with all-day hydration. It also contains an SPF of 45, a broad-spectrum protection that doesn't leave a white cast or feel heavy on the skin. For combination skin, the Elixir Light Cream has a lightweight formula which is absorbed quickly and leaves no white residue, making it an ideal choice for everyday use. With an SPF of 45, this cream also provides high-level protection. Guys, if there is one thing you should remember from this video, it's that the key to a good skincare routine is to choose products that suit your individual skin type and concerns. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products until you find one that works for you. One more thing, always be gentle when you apply products and avoid scrubbing too hard or using harsh exfoliants, as this can damage your skin and cause irritation. That's it for this week's episode. If you're a girl, I hope this video taught you more about your partner's skin needs. And if you're a guy, I hope that it will serve as encouragement for you to start taking care of your skin. If you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.